Hello guys, welcome to our video on Mahura trading. So guys, first of all, let me tell you, I am going to keep this video very short so that you can go back to your Diwali celebrations. And second, wish you all a very happy Diwali. So guys, in brief, I will tell you what is Mahura trading and why it is into existence. So guys, Diwali marks the beginning of a new calendar year as per Hindu calendar year, that is Vikram Samvat. So guys, this year 2078 will start and last year it was 2077. So guys, this Mahura trading has been in practice from the last 50 years. It was started by BSE in 1957. Now, although another exchange that is NSE also conduct this every Diwali. So, guys, same this year will happen. The Mahura trading will start at 6:15 and it will last up to 7:15. So, the market will open for 1 hour today. That is Diwali day. Today is 4th of November. And you can take trades on the stock exchanges BSE and NSE. So, guys, let's move on to the next section. There has been a very good move since last Samvat. From last Diwali to this Diwali, there has been a move of 40%. That is, Sensex and Nifty has given a move of 40% approximately. Guys, as you can see on the screen, we have got a return of 40% from the last Samvat to this Samvat. But guys, since the valuations are at its peak and the market is at all-time high, there are chances that there might be a consolidation at this level. And you might not get this much return from this Samvat to another Samvat, that is Samvat 2079. So guys, I'll recommend to stay stock specific, do a proper research, consider the industry which are keeping a good momentum, and stay stock specific rather than betting on Nifty, because the market are at its high and there are chances you might not get this much return this Samvat year. So guys, now let's move on to the next section, which is about the Indian economy and how it is recovering. Indian economy is also recovering at a very good pace, supported by the festive demand. Also, the COVID cases are normalizing. With 4 lakh cases in April-May 2021, it has come down to average 15,000 cases in October-November 2021. So guys, the COVID situation is also under control. Also, the inflation is as per the expectation. It is below 6% and it is estimated to be 6% only by the end of this financial year. This will help RBI in keeping the accommodative stance, and the repo and the reverse repo rate will be kept unchanged. So this will further support the economy, and there are chances that the expectation of GDP growth for this financial year, which is from 8.5% to 9.5%, will be met easily. So guys, let's move to the next section. So finally, let me share you our Mahura picks which you were waiting for. So for fundamental picks, we have selected 3 companies: Indian Energy Exchange, Happiest Mind, PVR. Although we have invested in several companies, but we have decided to share these 3 with you. Out of these, PVR is my favorite. And secondly, guys, you will be receiving a complete report for the fundamental picks. And for the technical, I will be explaining you in this video. For fundamental picks, you will be receiving a detailed report for which you might have registered. If you haven't registered, you can check out the link in the description box. So guys, out of these 3, PVR is my favorite because it has a very good brand value, and it is the leader in the multiplex business. At the same time, there are several big banners movies which were waiting from the last 1.5 years to come out, and which will be releasing in the next 6 months to 1 year. So we are expecting a good recovery in PVR, and you can book a good amount of profit. So guys, now let's move on to the Muhurat picks based upon our technical analysis. So guys, these technical picks which we have decided to share with you are of fundamentally sound companies. That is, if by any chance, due to the unexpected circumstances, the prices go down, it will later on recover. So guys, like Hindustan Unilever, Jubilant FoodWorks, Bank of Baroda, Info Edge, these are very fundamentally sound companies and are the market leaders in their industry. So guys, first of all, let's discuss the chart of Hindustan Unilever. So guys, as you can see on the screen, this is the daily time frame which I have selected, and this is the chart of Hindustan Unilever. So guys, this is the strong support area, that is 2319. This is the strong support and the resistance area, and the stock has tried to break these levels several times in the past. After it was broken in March 2021, the resistance is now acting as a support. This was the support in April 23 on 23 April 2021, then again in May 2021, and then again in July 2021. So guys, we expect these levels, that is 3200 320, will again act as a good support when the prices reaches at this level, and it is currently in this demand and supply zone only, that is 3320 and 3400. So guys, you can accumulate these stock at these levels, and you can target 2800, which is approximately 20 to 25%. So guys, this is a good technical pick, and we can book this much profit in the next 3 to 6 months. So guys, now let's move on to the next pick, which is Jubilant FoodWorks. So let me open the chart for you. Jubilant Foodworks. So as we all know, this is the parent company of the brand Domino's. So guys, as you can see, this is the strong support area 3642. It was broken in July 2021, and now this resistance area, this resistance level is now acting as a support. It has acted as a support in August 2021, and then again in October 2021. So guys, these are the good levels to accumulate this stock, and we can target 4500 approximately, and this is a good amount of return which we can get in the next 3 to 6 months. Again guys, if by any chance due to the unexpected circumstances, if these levels are broken, don't panic, you can hold on, and you can book the profit later on, because these are the very fundamentally sound companies. They will recover definitely later on. So now the next fundamental pick, which is next technical pick, which is Bank of Baroda. So guys, Bank of Baroda has a good resistance at rupees 100. See, several times it has come at this level and it was not able to break it. So guys, in Feb 2021, that is the starting of this year, it was unable to break these levels, and it came down to rupees 60. And this was the second this was during the second COVID wave. Finally, it recovered, and then this level 85 was acting as a strong resistance, and in October 2021 this resistance was also broken, and it went up to 100 rupees. So although guys, we have already booked a profit in Bank of Baroda at this level, 100 level, and we booked a profit of approximately 30-40%. So guys, now these levels are broken, and this level of 100 is acting as a support now. So guys, we can see that again it is taking support here, and there are higher chances that it will move on to its next resistance level, which is at approximately 120 rupees. So guys, approximately 20 to 30% profit we can book in the next 3 to 6 months. So guys, now finally let's move on to the last technical pick, that is Info Edge. I think guys, you must be aware of this company. This is the parent company of Naukri.com, Jeevansathi.com, Shiksha.com, and this is the market leader in the internet space. So I'll open its chart. As you can see on the screen guys, on 19th October 2021, it made a all-time high of 7,465. After making an all-time high, it started coming down, and it has reached a level of 6,000. So guys, this is a good demand and supply zone between 5,500 to 6,000. Earlier, this 5,500 level was acting as a good resistance, and the stock was not able to break it several times in the past, in July 2021, then again in August 2021, and finally it was broken in August at the end of the month, and it made a high of 7,500 approximately. So guys, now there are higher chances the resistance, which was 5,500 earlier, will act as a support now, and you can start accumulating this stock at these levels, and you can target its all-time high, which is at around 7,500. And we all know that this is a very fundamentally sound company. It has investment in several good startups as well, like Zomato, Policybazaar, and several others. So guys, we are hoping a good recovery in this stock. So guys, finally we have covered all the four important technical picks and the 3 fundamental picks, and I hope you will do your own research before investing in this stock. Guys, let me remind you again, this is not a buy sell advice. These are just the research by the ProCapitas. These are just the research by the ProCapitas team, and you can do your own research before investing. So guys, thank you so much, and wish you a very happy Diwali.